Once there was a big bad wolf known as the State Probate Court. The wolf had a ferocious appetite and would devour anything he could, but his favorite delight was other people's assets. But over time, the townspeople started guarding and hiding their assets better to protect them from the wolf. So the wolf decided he needed a plan to ensure that his appetite would always be satisfied. When one of the townspeople became heavenly, the wolf devoured their assets because they were not around to protect them. The wolf met with the town leaders and gave them a proposition. If they would surrender a sizable portion of someone's assets when they died, he wouldn't bother them quite as much. The scared leaders thought this was a good compromise, but the rest of the town was furious that they should be required to give much of their inheritance to the wolf. The average family with a $300,000 to $400,000 house ended up losing $25,000 to $50,000 in probate costs once the wolf was satisfied, and the people despaired because they had no plan to fight the wolf. But one day, a knight rode into town and overheard their grumbling. The knight told them he was from a land called Golden Legacy Estate Planning and that he could help them with their inheritance problems. The knight introduced them to estate plans and trusts, ways to manage the administrative costs of their deceased loved one's final affairs, which is the enemy, the trick of the big bad wolf. If you don't have an estate plan, the government has one for you. This, he said, would protect them from the enemy, the wolf. The people eagerly agreed to the plan, and soon the community was thriving once again because the children were able to keep more of their inheritance and keep the wolf at bay much better. Don't leave your family's future exposed to the hungry court wolves. Call Golden Legacy Estate Planning today to discuss a living trust and estate plan. 855-278-5556. 855-278-5556.